Hello everyone, my name is Olivia, and I welcome you to the Data Analytics Fundamentals class. In this introductory lesson, we introduce the concept of data analytics and data analysis solutions, and discuss the challenges of working with large data sets that must rapidly produce meaningful insights. We also introduce you to the 5 challenges, the 5V, of data analysis, which are volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. Lastly, we define what you need to know plan your data analysis solution. So, most people have heard the phrases data analytics and big data. I mean, how long has the industry been talking about big data? Seems like forever, right? You've probably watched, read, or sat in meetings about it. In fact, you've probably been asked whether your organization has a big data problem, but that's an oversimplification. The real question is, what kind of data analysis solution does your business need? In other words, how should you store, process, analyze, and present data, all the way from ingestion to presentation? And how do you know if your company's ready for a data analysis solution? If you already have one, how do you know whether it's time to move to the cloud? And what's involved in doing that? In this course, we will discuss key components of those solutions and the challenges they pose. We'll discuss how you can harness this fast-changing technology and how the Amazon Web Service can help you. So kindly subscribe to this channel. We will discuss everything from ingestion to presenting your data. Also save this playlist, because all the updates and new episodes will be added to this playlist.